Meaning of gay pride.
Gay pride.
Gay pride.
Gay pride.
Gay pride. Gay pride is a term used to describe the positive stance of the LGBTQ+ community towards their sexuality and identity. It represents an affirmation of self-esteem, dignity, and equal rights for individuals who identify as gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender, or queer. The term has its origins in the LGBT rights movement, specifically the Stonewall riots of 1969, and has since evolved to encompass a celebration of diversity, visibility, and acceptance within the wider society. Participating in gay pride events such as parades and demonstrations is one way to show support for the LGBTQ+ community and their struggle for equality and recognition.